Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Hair shedding above 100 strands per day may indicate underlying nutritional deficiencies. Ferritin levels below 30 nanograms per milliliter are commonly associated with increased hair loss. Low vitamin D and zinc deficiencies are also strongly linked with disrupted hair growth cycles. Hair follicles depend on constant nutrient supply to maintain active growth phases. When the body lacks key nutrients, follicles shift into a resting phase prematurely. This process is medically known as telogen effluvium and causes diffuse shedding. Many people assume hair loss is only genetic, but this assumption is often incorrect. Hormonal imbalance and nutrient depletion are two of the most overlooked causes. Women between 20 and 40 years old are the most frequently affected group. Chronic stress can further reduce iron absorption and worsen follicle function over time. One major mistake is ignoring blood work and relying only on cosmetic treatments. Without correcting internal deficiencies, topical solutions rarely produce lasting results. Hair is not a vital tissue, so the body reduces nutrient delivery during shortages. This biological prioritization explains why hair is often the first sign of deficiency. Research shows that correcting ferritin levels above 70 can improve hair density. Studies also show vitamin D deficiency prevalence above 50% in hair loss patients. Zinc plays a critical role in protein synthesis within hair follicles. Low zinc levels can slow follicle regeneration and weaken hair shaft structure. Protein deficiency reduces keratin production, which is the main structural component of hair. This leads to thinner strands and increased breakage during normal brushing. Some people believe shampoo frequency causes hair loss, but evidence does not support this. Hair shedding is primarily regulated internally, rather than by external cleansing habits. Endocrine disorders such as thyroid dysfunction can mimic nutritional hair loss symptoms. Both hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism can trigger diffuse scalp thinning patterns. Blood tests including TSH, ferritin, vitamin D, and zinc are essential diagnostic tools. A ferritin level below 30 is considered a strong risk factor for shedding. A vitamin D level below 30 nanograms per milliliter is considered insufficient. Zinc levels should be evaluated when hair loss is persistent and unexplained. Dietary correction is often the first recommended medical intervention for mild cases. Iron-rich foods such as red meat, lentils, and spinach improve ferritin levels. Vitamin D can be improved through sunlight exposure and fortified dairy products. Zinc intake can be increased through pumpkin seeds, nuts, and seafood. Adequate protein intake of at least 1 gram per kilogram supports hair regrowth. Hydration also plays a role in maintaining scalp circulation and follicle health. One clinical scenario involves postpartum women experiencing sudden diffuse hair shedding. This condition often resolves when iron and hormone levels gradually stabilize. Another scenario involves individuals on restrictive diets developing rapid hair thinning. Correcting caloric and micronutrient intake usually improves shedding within 3 to 6 months. People experiencing sudden patchy hair loss should seek medical evaluation immediately.
Autoimmune conditions such as alopecia areata require specialized treatment approaches.
Ignoring early signs of deficiency can lead to prolonged and more severe shedding. Early intervention significantly increases the likelihood of full hair recovery. Most cases of nutritional hair loss are reversible with consistent correction strategies. The key is identifying the root cause rather than masking visible symptoms. Balanced nutrition and regular blood testing are essential for long-term hair health. If you are experiencing hair shedding, tracking symptoms can help identify patterns early. Comment below if you notice changes in hair density or increased shedding recently. If you want to live longer and healthier, don't forget to subscribe now.